If you're taking a network course and VLSM is breaking you, then this video is for you. I built the tool specifically for my students that are being challenged in this area. And today I'm going to walk you through it and show you how it works. No textbook, no slides. Let's get to it. So this is the landing page. I have two different modes here. I have a guided mode and I have a design mode. So today I'm going to use the guided mode. I think it's a little bit more efficient for helping students. Okay, so I'm going to be creating 4 subnets. My first subnet, 100 hosts. Second one is 60 hosts. Third is 30 hosts. Fourth is 10 hosts. So we're going to create this from scratch. So my subnet mask, I need to know what my subnet mask is. Since I'm working with 100 hosts, I know my site is going to be 25, and my subnet mask is going to be 128. So it's going to be 128 for my subnet mask. My network is 192.168.108.0. My first user will be 1. My last user is going to be, since I'm working with a 128, my last user is going to be not 127, but 126. And it's 126 because my broadcast is going to be 127 because my next network is going to be 128. That is my broadcast. If everything is correct, I'm going to check it here and it will let me know. Look like everything is good. So that's the first subnet. So let's go to the next subnet. The next subnet, I need 60 hosts. And with 60 hosts, I know I'm going to need a CIDR of 26, which will give me 64 IP addresses. So the subnet mask for a 26 is going to be a 192. Now my network is going to be a 128 because that's where we left off with the last network. So my first user is going to be 129. Now my last user, I got to do a formula here. I'm sitting at 128. I'm using a CIDR of 26, which is 64. So I need to add now 64 and 128 together to give me my next network. So that will be 192. And my broadcast will be so if I'm correct, let's do a check and look like I'm good. So my next network, I know from doing the formula, my next network is going to be 192. So I'm working with only 30 hosts now. With 30 hosts, I'm going to need a CIDR 27 to give me 32 hosts. So my subnet mask is going to be 224. And for a CIDR 27, it's going to be 224. My network, we know the network is going to be 192. First user, 193. Now my last user, what I need to do now is I need to add, I'm sitting right now at 192. and I have a CIDR of 27, which is a 32 host. So I need to add 32 and 192 together. And that's going to give me 224. So my last user, if 224 is my next network, 223 is my broadcast, 222 would be my last user. And my broadcast, if 224 is my next network, then my broadcast is going to be 223. So let's see here. I think we have everything together, so let's check it out. Look like everything is good. So 224 is my next network. So let's see what my host is going to be. So my host here I'm looking for is only 10 hosts with a CIDR 28. So I need to get my subnet mask now for a 10 host. I can't get 10. I can probably get 16. And 16 would probably be /28 would be a 16. So if I have a /28, that means I'm borrowing 4 bits. And so 4 bits is going to be 240. Network is going to be 224. We know that. Network is 224. First user, 225. Last user. Before I can get the last user, I need to do the formula again. I'm currently sitting at 224, and I have a CIDR of 28, which is a block size of 16. I need to add the 16 and the 224 together, and that will give me a 240. So if my next network is 240, my broadcast is 239, my last user is 238. And my broadcast is 239. Okay, so let's look, see what we got here. 240 for CIDR. So let's check and see. Oh, look like I got a mistake here. Or I put the 39, it should have been 239. So this is how the tool works. I can go and do a new problem again, start over again, do a new problem, and practice make perfect. That's how you build that confidence with being able to do VLSM. Thanks.